Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Let's choose this video resolution. And first step, go to text and type all the text that you are going to use. Let's change the font. You can use any font you want. Let's increase the size and change the color to white color. Go to effects and choose left shadow. Increase a little bit the intensity and download it as PNG with transparent background. Download and drag it to upload. I already made all the text that I'm going to use. So the next step, after making all the text, go to elements and type abstract grunge videos, and let's choose this style of videos. Let's start with this one. Increase the size to cover all the page, and let's use a image of a burger. You can use your own images by uploading them. Let's use this one. Let's place it here and animate with brush, and let's choose curve. Go to elements again and type brush and choose any style you want from here and choose photos, not graphics. Let's use this one and let's change the color by going to edit, tone, go to custom and pick up the color, the same color that we have in the background of this video, and animate as well with brush. You can use dip and go to uploads and click on the text and place it exactly here. Rotate a little bit and animate with brush, curve. And now let's adjust the timing. Let's decrease this transparent area of the text. So click on the burger first and make it appear first, then the brush, then the text. And animate the text as well with brush, curve, and the next step, go to elements again, abstract grunge videos. Let's make the next one. Let's use this video, make it above all these elements, and let's adjust the timing, make it appear from here, and make the same process that we make in the beginning, and click in the video background and animate as well with brush, and click dip, And now make the next photo that you are going to use. And make the same process. Decrease the duration and animate with brush, curve, make the brush, make the text. And here is the project that I make. And you can increase the size of the timeline by from here, and you can decrease the size of the page by clicking zoom page and control from here. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.